So it is worth considering and being aware that some words can use more than one prefix. More than one. So cook, undercook. It's undercooked. You undercooked the food. It needs more time in the oven. Overcooked. So we have under and overcooked. It's too burnt. It spent too much time in the oven. Overcooked. Can't eat it. Undercooked, overcooked. Can't eat it. Yeah. So it can't be eaten. Can't be eaten. Okay. And then national. Unnational. That is very unnational. Not very nationalistic. National. Unnational. And international. All different countries. International. Here. England, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, and beyond. But unnational. Very unpatriotic. A not very good thing to do for the country. Unnational. Unnational and international. Yes. So like around the world, a not good thing to do. And then we have war. So pre-war, before. So pre means before. Before, and post means after. So we could even say pre-production, post-production, production. Pre-production. When a film is being made, at first it's in pre-production. Then it's in production, and then it's in post-production. Then it's released. Makes sense. War, and you could say interwar period. So interwar period. Like we could say 1919 to 1939. The interwar period, between. International, between the countries. Interwar, between the two wars. Let's think, internet, yeah, not the same. Net, internet, yeah. Net, internet, possible. Depends on where internet, the actual word came from. It's possible. Interproduction kind of works. Entrepreneur, not really. Unproduction, overproduction. Yeah, we could say overproduction, overproduced, production, produce, overproduce. Overproduce, to make too much of something. Possible. Underwar, undernational, overnational. Oh yeah, definitely. Overnational, overnationalistic, overnational. Too much of being nationalistic. Pre-cooked, yes. Pre-cooked works. You have to, preheat. Preheat the oven. Pre-cook the food. Makes sense. Post-cook. No. Intercook. No. Unheat. Oh, unheat. Preheat. Unheat. Cool it down. Overheat. Yes. Overheat. Overheat. Preheat. Unheat. Unheat less likely, but still makes sense. Make it cold. Unheat. Unheat the thing. Interheat. Over, under, underheat. You could say that. The house is underheated. It needs more heating. That works. Yeah. So some words, some root words, can take more than one prefix. Overcooked, undercooked, unnational, international, overheated, preheat, pre-war, post-war, interwar, post-production, pre-production, overproduce, underproduce, yeah, unproduce, not quite, unheat, yeah, not quite, but it still works, yeah. So again, remember, some words, the root word, can have more than one prefix. Be conscious of that. let's keep going.